You ready?
Okay, Harry, more pears?
All right, do you want more?
Is it good? More pears?
Maybe you should eat the table now. Yeah, eat the table now. Okay. I can't tell if you want it. Yum, 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 yum. Yeah. Now eat the table. Yeah. Yum, 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 yum. You lick the table. That's what we all do is after dinner we lick the table.
That's right, that's what we do in Brooklyn. We lick the table after we eat. Don't put anything in the spoon, but just show. I want to see if he tries to eat it when you put it up. Oh, maybe he's done. I think you're done, kid.
All right, now have some coffee.
Harry, I love you. Yeah.